VHF radios, tuning procedures. Radio transceivers are hosted by modular radio cabinets or MRCs, with tuning selection provided by multifunction control display units or MCDUs in the flight deck. This procedure is regularly done by pilots and maintenance personnel. Let's see how to select frequencies for communication. Before I start, the aircraft must be energized and safe. On MCDU, press the radio button to display the radio page if not already shown. The page pops up on the screen and shows information for CON and F1 on the left. Similarly, on the right, we have CON and F2 as well. On this video, we're gonna practice on VHF Com 2 once the procedures are the same for both radios. There are 3 ways for tuning. Here's the first one. Press the second line select key on the right to highlight the standby frequency. You realize a small arrow appears beside the frequency. It means that inner and outer knobs should be used for. Turn the inner knob for changing on decimal numbers and the outer knob for principals. It is also possible to check the tuning through the co-pilot's primary flight display. When tuning the CON 1, the same happens on PFD number 1. Once the frequency is selected, press the first line select key on the right to switch over the active. The second way for tuning is typing the frequency using a numeric keyboard. The frequency appears on the scratch pad, and when finished, press once the first LC key on the right. Finally, the third way is getting frequencies stored in the system memory. To do that, the following steps should be done. Press 2 times the LC key number 2 on the right to go to the COM2 radio page. If the standby frequency is highlighted, a single press is enough. Turn the inner knob clockwise to switch over the 12 memory spaces. If they are used, a frequency appears underneath the highlighted area. Otherwise, nothing will appear. Click on LC key 1 to activate the pre-selected frequency. When a memory space is empty or you want to change it, please proceed as follows. On COM2 radio page, press the LC key number 6 on the left to jump into the CON memory page. There are 2 pages with 6 memory locations each one. To switch over the remaining 6, press Next or Previous button. Press the LC key beside the memory you want to change to highlight. It is pretty much similar to first and second tuning procedures. Note that it is possible to change the active frequency from each memory page. To go back to COM2, click on LC key number 5 on the right. If you want to go to the main radio page, please press the 6th LC key on the same side. The procedure is complete. On next video, we'll see how to switch COM3 from data to voice mode. Thank you for watching.